Creating an inflation-proof retirement portfolio that grows over time is something every retiree should be thinking about. With inflation impacting your purchasing power and market volatility looming over your savings, it's essential to protect and grow your wealth in a way that gives you peace of mind for the future. Now, you may be wondering, how can you make sure that your retirement money keeps working for you no matter the economic climate? The answer lies in a strategy that focuses on diversification, real assets, and the right types of investments. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a portfolio that not only protects you from inflation, but helps your wealth grow over time. Before we get started, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, I highly recommend you check out the free guide in the first link in the description. Thousands of Americans are turning to gold IRAs to safeguard their savings, and you'll learn why in just a few moments. When it comes to inflation-proofing your portfolio, the first key factor is diversification. But let's take it a step further. Don't just diversify across stocks and bonds. Consider including tangible assets like precious metals, real estate, and commodities in your portfolio. These assets tend to hold their value when inflation rises, which is crucial for protecting your purchasing power in the long term. One of the best inflation hedges available is gold. Historically, gold has been a store of value that outperforms inflation over time. In fact, when the dollar weakens, gold tends to rise in value. That's why many retirees are shifting part of their portfolios into gold IRAs. This provides a unique opportunity to protect your savings from inflation while still allowing your wealth to grow. In fact, if you've got 100K or more in your IRA or 401K, or even 5 and plus in savings, you're in the ideal position to take advantage of the benefits of a gold IRA. But gold is not the only option. Real estate is another fantastic way to preserve wealth and generate income. Rental properties, in particular, offer cash flow that can keep up with inflation, as rents often rise during times of economic uncertainty. However, unlike physical gold, real estate is a more hands-on investment, requiring management, maintenance, and sometimes even a large upfront capital investment. When it comes to stocks, you don't have to stay fully invested in traditional equities. Look for dividend-paying stocks in industries that are less sensitive to inflation, like utilities, healthcare, and consumer staples. These sectors tend to do well even when inflation is high, because people still need essential services regardless of the economic climate. Another strategy worth considering is Treasury Inflation-Protected Securities, or TIPS. These are government bonds that adjust with inflation, making them a low-risk option to include in your portfolio. However, while TIPS are a safe bet, they don't offer the same potential for growth as a gold IRA or real estate investments, which is why they should be viewed as part of a well-rounded strategy rather than the core of your portfolio. Now, if you're serious about protecting your wealth from inflation and making sure your portfolio grows over time, it's essential to consider adding a gold IRA to your strategy. Gold IRAs allow you to roll over your existing retirement funds into precious metals like gold, silver, and platinum, which can protect your wealth while offering the potential for long-term growth. This is an option that more and more Americans are choosing to secure their retirement savings, and it's easy to see why. If you haven't yet considered a gold IRA, take a moment to click the first link in the description to access a free gold IRA guide. Thousands of Americans have already chosen this route to protect their retirement funds from inflation. In fact, if you're an American retiree with 100K or more in your IRA or 401K, or even 5 million plus in savings, this guide is perfect for you. It'll help you understand why a gold IRA might be the right move for you, how it works, and how you can set it up to start securing your wealth today. To wrap things up, creating an inflation-proof retirement portfolio that grows over time requires a combination of diversification, tangible assets, and the right investments. Don't forget to consider gold IRAs as a central part of your strategy, especially if you're looking for a safe haven from inflation with long-term growth potential. If you want more information on how to make your wealth work for you, click the first link in the description now and get started on the path to securing your financial future.